Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi from St. Peter's Law Academy, and today we'll discuss about the doctrine of absolute privilege and how it works in India. The Delhi High Court recently upheld the dismissal of a defamation suit against senior advocate Vikas Pahwa, citing the doctrine of absolute privilege and the protection granted to him by it. Let's first understand what the doctrine of absolute privilege is. The Delhi High Court reiterated the doctrine by defining the two types of it. First, qualified privilege. Second, absolute privilege. First of all, we'll understand what qualified and absolute privileges are. Qualified privilege ring faces the defendant from protection against defamation suits only when that privilege is exercised properly or morally for that example. Whereas absolute privilege completely protects a defendant no matter how wrongful or motivated his action is. So, for example, where the parliamentary or judicial proceedings are concerned, the doctrine of absolute privilege kicks in. So, the next question arises, whom does the doctrine protect? It protects judges, witnesses, counsels, or for that matter, the parties also. You know what? It also extends to witness statements made during the proceedings. अब protection मिली है तो कुछ exception भी तो होगी ना? So the exception of the doctrine of absolute privileges that the statements which are not directly related to the subject matter or not made for the purpose of judicial proceedings are not granted the protection of this doctrine. Now coming back to the facts of the case, the appellant in this case sought a mandatory apology from the senior advocate and also an injunction against his action. The appellant cited that the statements made during the judicial proceedings harmed his right to reputation under Article 21 of the Constitution. The court, in its judgment, held that the respondent is liable to the protection of absolute privilege and proceedings of defamation cannot be instituted against him. The division bench of the Delhi High Court upheld the decision of the single judge bench who dismissed the petition regarding the defamation of the appellant. Stay tuned for more such informative videos from St. Peter's Law Academy. See you in the next video.